This is truly the life right here. This is truly the life with my family. My oldest and my youngest there. And I'm just here enjoying life. No more concrete jungles. This here, the greenery. There's studies that have been shown that those that live in more greener areas with more trees, more plants, they have less depression. They actually thrive more. They get more creative. They have less health issues. Again, when you feel better, your body, your cells just function better. Your mitochondria functions better. So, being out in nature does the body, the mind, overall wellness very good. No more concrete jungles. I've lived in the projects, tenement buildings for many years of my life. So I'm just truly blessed to be able to just lay back here, you know, and this is my view, you know, this is my view. Just looking at the sky, breathing in fresh oxygen, fresh air, not being cooped up inside. You know, minus that there a little bit, but still, it's not that bad. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing grace. How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Get out in nature, y'all. Do your mind, body, and soul good.